Got first floor done here. So Home Depot didn't have like grooved in stock, so I had to special order them. So instead I just bought a cheaper trim board that on both ends that you're supposed to face screw. So that's what I did my picture framing with, was this off brown, and I kind of like it. And then this other, it's actually Timber Tech on the inside here, and then Trex on the outside. So, and then this one was actually a Ripper custom on the end. There we go. And then tomorrow's the upper floor. And we got to figure out something for this to cover the deck here. I'm pretty sure they make like a 1x10 or 1x8 trim Trex, so I got to find it. Bit of video update for you guys here. We got all the decking done up and down, and we got the posts wrapped in PVC trim. We were originally going to leave them exposed because I don't think I plan to do any fascia wrap to cover up any of this, just because even if I put it on the sides, underneath you're going to see still all the joists because I'm not going to do any sealing in here. So I figured it was a waste of material for now. Maybe later we'll do some brake metal just for a quick wrap. But next, I realized when we do our steps here, the original design, they were to the left, you know, over here, or you could see the old steps here. They're loose. We put them here to walk straight up so the tenants can use this still. But this is our center line here. And so we're going to do a 48 wide pad by 60. The steps will be 36 centered in there. So this will come out roughly to, I think, like somewhere around here, right? 48, 60. And then for a 36 wide, we're going to connect it to the driveway. I don't have it on the permit, but I realized this was always rotting away because it was sitting on dirt. So bare minimum, I wanted to put a pad here, but I figured if I'm going to put a pad for the steps, I might as well at least connect it and make it look good. And then we got some nice edging that we could do maybe small beds or something here. So that's the plan. Yeah, those look good wrapped. It's very expensive, the PVC material to wrap those, but still the cheapest alternative. You could buy stuff, pre-made kits to wrap 6x6s, and they were so much money that it was ridiculous. But even buying this PVC trim, it was like 125 bucks a column. It's crazy. Already got my gravel here for the concrete work.